I'm ready. I think I was just going to probably, open up some champion chests. I think I got some. I'm not sure. Did I open them? Okay, I only got a little bit. Only got 251. Let's go. Let's just open up a little at a time. See how. Not so. Yeah. That one was really bad. That was trash too. Come on, man. You see them drops? Ugly. Guess all of them was bad. Probably open up these ones too. Eee, we got a purple. Let's go. See if we can get that again. Nope. Let's see what we can get out of this. Nothing. I don't need nothing. That was a bad. Damn, only if that was something that I need.